I woke up this morning wanting to make some chocolate chip cookies. I'm going to zap my butter. What is this? This is something on the microwave. I'm going to zap my butter in the microwave for like maybe 3 seconds. Because it's, oh wait, is that, oh goodness, I did 3 minutes. That's probably plenty of time. So it's said to soften the butter. And I always zap it in the microwave, but I thought I hit 3 when I did it. If I hit cook time 3, I got 3 seconds, but if I hit just the number 3, I got 3 minutes. I don't think I realized that before. Okay, so that's soft enough. And I got this recipe off ChatGPT, so I saved it. And then I just pull it up whenever I want to make like a small batch. I don't even plan to bake the cookies. I just want to make the dough, put it in the refrigerator, and then just have it in the refrigerator so then when I want cookies, I could just, you know, scoop out some of the batter and make the dough. So I didn't warm up the oven or anything like that. So let's see what's next. Cream together the butter, sugars, until light and fluffy. Okay, so for sugar I need 3 tablespoons of white and 3 tablespoons of brown. What are you all up to today? Wait, 1, 2. It's hard for me to talk and do things at the same time. 3. Okay. I ran out of paper towels. Let me get a napkin. I just like to have something to catch anything that falls, like sugar especially, flour and salt and things like that. Okay. Next, I'm going to put in the brown sugar, 3 tablespoons. I made this recipe once and it was pretty good, which is why I decided to save it. I was like, yeah, this is a keeper. And I think it only makes like, let's see, does it tell me on here? Maybe, no, it doesn't say, but I think it was like, instead of a dozen cookies, it might be, no, maybe it was just a dozen cookies. Something like that. It was a small batch. If you're interested, you could just tap or type in small batch chocolate chip cookies. And this one actually says small batch Nestle Toll House cookies. That's the recipe that I'm going by. Okay. So now I'm going to just put this in the mixer and let it get nice and creamy. Then I'll add my egg yolk. This didn't call for a whole egg, just the yolk. And then vanilla flavoring. Oh, my bag doesn't want to seal. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, let me grab my vanilla. And here's my chocolate chips. Let me pull my mixer out. I bought this slider to go under my mixer because the mixer is so heavy. And this slider is nice and cool because you could just, you know, pull it out as you need it. This is how it works. You pull it out and then you can slide it back. So convenient. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this butter and sugar creamed and then move on to the next step. I have my dry ingredients, which is flour, baking soda, and salt. And then I'm going to mix this in with the wet ingredients and then add the chocolate chips and then I'll be done. My mixer is so heavy, it keeps leaning and falling off of this thing. Okay, so I looked it up and ChatGPT said that this recipe should yield 12 to 16 cookies. So it is a small batch, but I think it's perfect for what I want to do with it. And then I just pulled out a plastic bowl, and I'm just going to put it in this bowl with a lid and just keep the dough in the refrigerator. And then when I want cookies, I can just bake them, and that way they'll be nice and warm when I have a craving for some cookies. Speaking of cookies, so I think it was my last video, I went to Levain, which is a bakery in LA, and I got a big warm chocolate chip cookie, and it was really, really good. I feel like I got lucky because the cookies weren't ready. The one that I wanted, the chocolate chip cookie, wasn't ready when I went in there, and so the guy said we were gonna have to wait. And so by us waiting, we got fresh, or at least I did. My husband didn't get the same cookie that I got. So the cookie that I got was fresh and hot, and it was so good and gooey on the inside, which I like. I know some people don't like gooey dough and gooey cookies and stuff, but I do. I don't mind it. So it was really good. And we went to a Titanic exhibit while we were in LA, and after coming back from that exhibit, it made me want to watch the movie again, which I did. I pulled it up and I found it on Paramount Plus, and I watched the movie again, and I was so touched. I was like, oh my gosh, I just can't imagine going through something like that. Okay, batter is done. This is the small amount. It's not very much. And I'll just put this away. All done. Got my husband with me today. We're stopping at the store to pick up some drinks because we have a couple people coming over tonight. I think we're gonna play some games again. It's been a while. And we ordered some food, and now we just need to pick up some drinks. Go ahead, baby. You just wanna go to the drink? Okay. You want juices or sodas? Sodas? Okay. So, this is the soda aisle right here. I don't know what he has in mind. I like Zevia. I think these are pretty good. Do you want Zevias or something else? So he got grape and ginger ale, and then he's getting this other one, strawberry lemonade. I'm excited to have people over. This should be fun. Okay, Dr. Pepper. Gonna pick up some milk. We ordered the food from this place called Wood Ranch. So we got macaroni and ribs, and I think chicken and baked potatoes and mashed potatoes. So my husband was thinking after we eat the real meal, which is that, then maybe we might want to snack, or the people there might want to snack on other things. So he's thinking chips. We don't, well, you ordered some salsa and guac already from the place. Yeah, I forgot we got salsa and guac too. It's kind of busy. It's like a line. You want me to just say excuse me and go by?
No, I don't know. What kind of chips do you want to get?
Well, I didn't really want any, so whatever you guys want. Okay, grab some Doritos. That's usually always a hit. My husband is so kind. He doesn't want to go around. He's being very patient. Have you all seen this? Dill pickle, flaming hot Cheetos. I always like to see what chips they have, what new chips are in store. Now I gotta find my husband. I think he went down the ice cream aisle. Let me see. Oh, here he is. Yep, he's in the ice cream aisle. He is getting some that, ice cream bars? Chocolate dipped strawberries. Oh, here's some chocolate ones too. Maybe these are the ones he was talking about. Oh, and I didn't know they had this in a Reese's. That's interesting. I don't know how that would taste. Reese's cup mixed with strawberry. I don't know. That's an interesting combination. You don't have to heat them up. I don't know why you have to heat the other ones up.
Well, these are rolls though, not really breads.
So you want those? Here's the spread. These are the meats. The guac and salsa, coleslaw, broccoli, potatoes, and some rolls, mashed potatoes over there, and some chips. Perfect amount too. It's not too much.
Too much in the chopsticks.
I was going to try them, but I don't think anything that I have I can try them with.
Chips and salsa. With chopsticks.
Thank you.
Maybe not that. Oh, your plate looks good. It's so pretty and colorful.
Thank you.
You have enough room?
Does anybody want my guacamole? Yes. You can have it.
I have guac.
I was gonna eat
so
some.
good.
I'd rather leave it for you guys if you really want it.
We love it.
I do too.
Oh, sorry, I'm on.
So good.
Yeah, so good. I just pulled out the cookie dough from yesterday. I'm gonna go ahead and bake these cookies, and this is gonna be our dessert.
Juicy started drop and just do. He said you're gonna get cards to tell people you're good.
I enjoyed my time having people over. We didn't end up playing any board games, but we had fun just sitting around talking. The next day though, I had a really deep conversation with someone in my family that just left me in tears. So I had a really emotional day yesterday, and I just prayed about everything. And right now I'm in the process of practicing praying and letting it go. So that's what I'm trying to do, and not let things, just kind of linger on. But anyway, I'm in my sewing room, I'm looking through my scraps. I'm gonna see if I have anything in here that may inspire me to get behind the machine, because I actually haven't sewn in a while. After I look through my little scraps here, I think I'm gonna actually go upstairs and watch some Food Network, because I love watching cooking shows. I find them fun and educational, which are things that I like. And you can be creative when you're cooking. So if I can get some interesting new little tips or something, that would be cool. I have this one piece of this striped fabric left. I love this, but this is all that I have of it. And I have this collar that came from a vest. I ended up taking it off, and I've never put it back on anything else, but I keep it because I keep saying maybe one day I'll find a place to use it. And then the biggest piece of fabric scrap I have is this knit. It's a decent sized piece. So what I'll do now that I've gone through everything, then I may go upstairs and look through my patterns, because I keep my patterns on Pinterest, the ones that I have down here in the drawer. So then I'll keep these in mind, and then I'll look through my patterns and then think, okay, is there anything that I may want to make with what I have? And sometimes I'll try to put the fabric on a dress form and drape and see if something will inspire me that way. So yeah, I'm gonna put this fabric back and turn on the Food Network My favorite show on the Food Network is The Kitchen. So I actually have it already pulled up, and now I just need to press play.
I have one answer, and that answer is pepperoni. Store-bought pizza dough, get it from your pizzeria, go to the refrigerated section.
I just finished seasoning these chicken wings. They're gonna go in the air fryer. I'm making hot wings with buffalo sauce. Oh, it's kind of dark. Let me get the light. Ooh, okay. So I cooked them for 10 minutes on one side, then I flipped them over and cooked them for 10 minutes on the other side. So a total of 20. It said, I was following some directions, it said 20 to 25 minutes, but I didn't want to do too much, so I just did 10 and 10. They look pretty good to me.